In this problem, we want to find the values of x for which the series converges, and find the sum of the series for those values of x. Our series is the sum from n equals 0 to infinity of the quantity x minus 2 to the n power divided by 5 to the n power. The first thing you should notice here is that the variable n is in the exponent of each term. That means that we have a geometric series. So let's rewrite the terms in our series. We can rewrite this as the quantity x minus 2 divided by 5, all raised to the n power. And in terms of our geometric series, we always call r the expression that is raised to the n power. So r is x minus 2 divided by 5. And we always call a the first term. Because our series starts with the term n equals 0, our a is x minus 2 divided by 5 to the 0 power, which is just 1. We know the geometric series converges if and only if the absolute value of the common ratio r is less than 1. For this problem, our series converges if and only if the absolute value of x minus 2 divided by 5 is less than 1. Well, the absolute value of a number being less than 1 means that that number, x minus 2 divided by 5, is between -1 and +1. Then I can multiply by 5, so -5 is less than x minus 2 is less than 5, and add 2, so -3 is less than x is less than 7. So our series converges for the x values that are in the interval -3 to 7. The second part of our question has us find the sum of the series for those values of x. So for a geometric series, we know that as long as it's convergent, as long as the absolute value of r is less than 1, the sum of a geometric series is a divided by 1 minus r. For our problem, as long as x is in the interval from -3 to 7, our series, the sum n equals 0 to infinity, x minus 2 to the n divided by 5 to the n, converges or equals the formula a over 1 minus r. Well, a is 1, and then we have 1 minus x minus 2 divided by 5. Now I just want to clean this up a bit. To eliminate the 5 in the denominator, I'm going to multiply the top of this fraction by 5 and the bottom of this fraction by 5, which gives us 5 divided by 5 minus x minus 2. And combining like terms on the bottom, we have 5 divided by 7 minus x. So our series for x values between -3 and 7 converges to the function 5 divided by 7 minus x. This is actually an example of a power series, which we will study more in depth next week.